Good morning from the Lake District, and today we're just off the shore of Ullswater Lake, and we're on a walk, a circular walk, taking in Aira Force Waterfall, and then we're heading up to Gowbarrow Fell and sweeping back around to the start point. Apparently a walk of around 4.5 miles, just over 7 kilometers. As you can probably see already, it's a beautiful day, and as usual, we'll keep you up to speed as we make our way along. See you shortly. Okay, we've just started walking through the Arboretum, which is just a cacophony of bird sound, and if you keep your eyes peeled, you may even see a red squirrel. I don't know if you can see, just on the feeder ahead of me there, there's a red squirrel feeding currently. Okay, we just finished walking up through the Arboretum and up the pathway, and now we get to this point where we have 60 steps down to that waterfall. We've just ascended the 60 or so steps, and right behind me you can now see Aira Force Waterfall, which is probably the most famous waterfall here in the Lake District, definitely the most popular, and from what I've read, it's about a 70-foot drop, not a continuous drop. As you can probably see, it's a bit of a multi-stage affair, but this is just a little viewing platform here. There's Waterfall. But yeah, you can't progress any further down because they're clearly doing some works down there. But it is very pretty, I'll say that much. Okay, waterfall viewing over. Off to Gowbarrow Fell. Walking along the river, you're in sort of woodland, then you break out onto open farmland, as you can see, and there's the evidence, some cows behind me, and eventually you get to this sign here, pointing to Gowbarrow Summit. Obviously if you go through this gate, you've gone a bit too far, so up here we head. Okay, this is the gate from the farmland onto the fell. Through we go and on we go. Okay, we finally finished the climb up to the sort of plateau, and just a short walk up now to the summit of Gowbarrow, which is right behind me. Okay, we've just dropped off the summit. Now as you come down off the summit, you take the right-hand path and you mean, here's the summit just up to my right hand side here, but you run parallel with the, you can see the stone wall over there. You literally just follow it down, and then you'll come to a point where we start bearing right. Okay, we've just come to the southerly point of the walk, following the path right the way down. Now you get to this sign pointing us back east, and another point of reference is this old, well, ruin of a shooting lodge. It sure is a ruin. Now we just continue along this path here. Okay, we're probably about a mile to go from the car park now, and just thought I'd stop here because, I mean, the views from this point are almost better than the ones right from the top of Gowbarrow summit. Just take a look. Truly breathtaking. Okay, we're now dropping down back into the valley down this relatively steep path, among all this lovely bracken and heather, and even now the view's still pretty decent. Okay, at the bottom here, before you get to the woodland, there's a fork in the path. You take this left here, and once through the gate, just continue straight. Okay, we're just back at the car park now, having completed the Aira Force Waterfall Walk and Gowbarrow Fell summit. Circular walk, absolutely stunning, taking in all these amazing views of Ullswater, incredible scenery, all the mountain peaks. It's taken us about 4.5 hours, thoroughly enjoyable, and if you want an effort reward walk, this is the one to do. So from us, from the Lake District, it's bye for now.